Hey guys, we are back with the top 5 Android app series for October. Let's dive in and check out these awesome apps that we have curated for this month. I know the list we come up with is very short, but don't worry, we have got you covered as we have a compilation of more than 100 Android applications that you can get from the cards up here. I hope that helps you. Now to begin with, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to not miss out our upcoming videos. Let's roll this one. If you are lazy like me, who hates counting, I mean that's so dull to keep counting coins if you have a lot of them. Or maybe you work somewhere in an inventory where you need to keep a count of different products ranging from tubes, plastic boxes and much more. What can be better if you automate such tedious tasks, helping business to automate counting? Let's dive in and check what we have got. You can count anything of different categories, comprising logs and numbers, bars, medical, biology, livestock, agriculture, and the list goes on. It would take an entire day if I keep on telling you the categories that they have included. All you have to do is select the category and the template and you're all set. Take a photo and count. Each counted item is marked in a resulting image, so you have a record of what was counted. The counting can be exported to a form itself. That requires a premium version though. Save the resulting image for your future reference. It is as simple as that. You can also edit the resultant image as per your requirements. Have a look at the tools provided in the app. Make those dead wallpaper interesting with the next app on our list. Download Arial and make your wallpaper shine. This app comprises a lot of fashionable 4K and HD video wallpaper to select from. The collection is pretty interesting, which ranges from abstract wallpapers to those perfect drone shots and time lapses. Last but not the least, the wallpaper list keeps on getting updated every week. Do you copy? Over and out. You guys might be speculating why I'm stating such words. Our next app is based on the concept of walkie-talkie, and let's find out why I say so. All you have to do is set the same frequency and push to talk. This is quite interesting, where you can talk with your friends free of cost. The concept behind the app is very innovative and I liked it. Hi, welcome to Radness.
Yeah, please subscribe.
The UI is pretty simple and easy to use. Get connected to your friends in a matter of seconds and communicate quickly and easily. The next app is a unique volume keys remapper. Use the volume keys to quickly perform common everyday tasks. For example, start the sound recorder, skip music tracks, mute the device and much more. Let's find how you can do this. Activate the app and then select the actions according to your needs. Remap volume keys and perform the list of following tasks. Use the volume keys to control music, record sound, tell time, turn on and off the flashlight, turn on and off Bluetooth, set sound mode, turn on and off, do not disturb and also change the volume. Works just fine with the screen being off and also no requirement for a rooted device. I use a lot of different apps on the phone, but need my frequently used apps to be just a matter of click away. That is in my notification shade. Tile shortcut is a perfect fit to create such shortcuts. Use this app to create shortcuts and quickly open your favorite apps, links, shortcuts from the notification shade. This is extremely easy to use and highly customizable in nature. Users can use the real app icon for the icon in the notification panel. Users can choose their own icons to represent a particular shortcut, or can even use the actual website icons for the website tiles. Users can also name the tiles whatever they want. This app is really cool if you're like me who wants the favorite apps at the fingertips. That's all for the video. Let us know in the comment section which one are your favorites. Comment down below if you know any good apps so that we can feature them in our upcoming videos. Leave a like and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. This is Ayush signing off. Until the next video, stay rad.